Facebook has presented different developments in its applications, but its latest updates its focus on the groups. Its interface will focus on the wall, which is the same timeline, the videos, which will stand out among other types of content, and in groups, which will have their own tab, which will make it easier to publish them. Facebook groups are spaces within the social network for different users with common interests, where they share knowledge or information. Anyone can create a group about a topic, cause, or event. Facebook groups are classified according to theme or privacy. They may be open, it is public, all information is visible and it is not necessary to make a request for access. Closed. You have to make a request to be able to join the group, and it is the administrator or administrators of the group who approve your request. Secrets. A group that is created by a person. It is not visible, and the only way to enter is for the creator of this Facebook group to send you an invitation. These are some recommendations to do marketing in Facebook groups. If you create a group on Facebook with customers or people interested in your brand, all the members of the group must be informed of their products and services. This will also allow you to know the opinion of your customers. You must answer all the questions and suggestions. Establish your objectives, generate value. Ask how group members can benefit, either by publishing content about your brand, encouraging members to participate and respond within the community, offering exclusive offers and content for them. Preferably have a private or secret group, giving exclusivity and control of the administration of content posted by users. Avoid becoming a sales group, as many users will retire. Look for other alternatives to promote yourself. Set a publication at the top of the group where you set up key information for new members with important links or brand identity.